I love poke bowls. I also love tacos. Let's combine these and make an amazingly fresh dish. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue. Today we're making salmon poke tacos. First thing that we need to do is prepare a couple of ingredients, so let's get started with that. We got a beautiful fillet of New Zealand King Ora Salmon. We're going to remove the skin and then we're going to dice it into small cubes. Want to cover it with a poke marinade and set it in the fridge for a couple of hours. We also want to take some slaw and mix with some sesame oil, ginger, and soy sauce, and we can set that aside too. Then we want to slice a fresh pineapple. When cored, cut it into small cubes as well. We're going to vacuum seal these and set aside. All the ingredients are now ready, so let's put the taco together. We're gonna toast some flour tortillas, and when they have a nice color, remove them. Then we're gonna add the Asian slaw. We're gonna cube some avocados and add to the tortillas as well. We wanna put the marinated salmon in a bowl. We're gonna add the pineapple, and we're also gonna slice up and add some green onions. We wanna stir this thoroughly. We're gonna place a healthy scoop on this on top of the taco. We wanna add some toasted sesame seeds. And then we're going to drizzle this with hot wasabi squeeze and some cube pie mayo. Last but not least, we're going to add a healthy, and I mean a healthy dollop of caviar. And then these tacos are ready to serve, and man, they look simply amazing. And that is how I make my salmon poke tacos. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this monstrosity and see what it tastes like. And it looked so good, so fresh. Remember the golden rule, tilt the head, not the taco. That is so fresh. That is so good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.